Hey guys, before we get in today's video, I just wanted to make a quick apology why there wasn't no video last week. We had some very serious technical difficulties, but now we got them fixed. Anyways, let's get in today's video. What's up everybody? Welcome back to Shredding Wheelers, and today we are going to do something that is gonna be happening over the summer. So I'm not gonna spoil it too much. You guys might remember this, but I'll show you later. Before we get started though, make sure you go ahead, like, subscribe, turn on notifications. Now we're gonna go into the shed here slash workshop. So we're gonna grab my my utility rig that could tow heavy stuff. Oh, if I could open it. All right. So if you guys remember this from my first video, I basically showed you guys around this place. It changed a little bit. Right here, there used to be a three-wheeler here, but there isn't anymore. But there's this one machine that I showed you guys, and I haven't really showed you that much. So right here, I picked up this 2008, I'm guessing, Arctic Cat 366. It's bone stock. Here, there you go. It's bone stock, original tires. I put a Boss speaker on here. Shout out to Boss for hooking me up. And this thing basically rips. Also, this four-wheeler has a tow hitch. So we are going to see if we could pull this with the mini boat. And maybe later we could unwrap the mini boat as well. So let's go, let's see if this thing starts. Because I let my buddies ride this like 2-3 weeks ago, and I haven't basically started it up. So let's see if she starts. So all I did was put a fresh battery in it. The fuel on and off switch broke off, so I have a Redneck handy dandy like clips right here. Yeah, fresh battery, and we'll see if she starts. I might have to give it a little gas. Alright, let's see if she starts right now. There we go. Barely had to top the gas, so I'm gonna let this thing warm up and we're gonna take a trip over to the garage to get the tow bulb. So let's go for a little ride. Put it in reverse. This is an automatic transmission, so yeah. Pretty good utility four-wheeler, but yeah. Alright, high gear. Alright, here we go. And then we'll be at in the garage in a little bit. Found the tow bulb. Pulled the pin. Now we're gonna take the tow bulb. It's really rusty. Take the tow bulb, and we're gonna put it in the back of the four-wheeler here. It's really simple. Actually, that's probably the wrong bulb. Give me a second. Oh. Alright, tow bulb's in. Now let's go get this thing that I need to tow. Alright, so if you guys remember this boat right here. So this is my, I think 2012 MiG FM13. So this is a 13-foot long mini boat. And If you guys haven't watched the last time I filmed with it, the cover came off and there's all the wood over there from this boat. But basically we're gonna see if that four-wheeler could tow this mini boat. Also, I have to go pick up another thing after this mini boat, so we'll tow the boat and we'll go pick up the other thing after. So let's go see if this four-wheeler could tow the mini boat. Alright. Now we are going to see if the four-wheeler could hold the mini boat. Alright, there we go. It should be okay right there. Alright, okay. Oh, there we go. Should be already hooked on. Let's see if she squats. I mean, should be all right. Yeah, I mean, it's squatting a little bit. Wow. Let's see if I can pull it out. All right, test one, here we go. Wow, that pulled like nothing. I mean, I also had it in low gear too, so now we're gonna go bring it back to the driveway where the garage is, and we're gonna go pick up that thing that I also need to tow. Alright, so just got it up the driveway now. Oh yeah, you can see it squatting a little bit. Turn her off. And that should be it for a little bit. This thing performed, oh, not that thing. This thing performed pretty good. But unfortunately, I can't pull the thing. So here, I'll just show you guys. So I was gonna originally pull this thing, but this truck right here is in the way, so I can't really pull it. But that might be in another video. So I don't think I'll have time to unwrap it, so because I have to go do other things. But for now, this thing will be sitting in the yard as always, and this thing will be go put away. I will do some more videos with the Arctic Cat someday, and we'll probably do like a testing video with it anyways, to make it more interesting, see how capable this thing is. Alright, so I just got a report that the basketball hoop fell on my mini boat. So I'm on my four-wheeler now and we're gonna go check it out. Oh shit. Well, that ain't good. Fuck. Dude. Oh, hopefully. Oh wait. Should be good. Oh, but it broke the back glass. Frick, dude. Bet that. So we just got a windstorm. Oh, even that came out too. But we just got a huge windstorm. So I'm gonna pull this up and get off my mini boat. Hopefully Ooh, damn, dude. Did this. Did that. Hopefully it didn't. Oh, yeah, I did that too. Frick, dude. I'm gonna try to get this up. Hopefully nothing else broke. Yeah, it's literally hitting my boat. God dang it. Tough break. Think I can get it out. Oh yeah. That basketball is done. Oh my. Oh, frick. No, come on. Oh, I even did that too. Come on. Just more crap that I gotta fix now. I'm glad it didn't land on top of here. So we recently put the mini boat on the ladders because I took the cover off, and basically I don't know if this cover holds anymore. I don't know if water's going into it or what, but basically it pours all the water out of the drain hole, so that's why we put it up on the ladder. Luckily it's on the ladder and it didn't damage the top. Didn't damage the top, I don't think, but it did, frick, damage that. Hopefully there isn't a hole in this. Hopefully there's no hole. But yeah, that's a tough break. Yeah, hopefully we get to go do some test driving with this soon. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, turn on notifications. See you guys in the next video.